Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through fixing the error Windows can't be installed on drive 0, partition 1, 2, or 3, using clear and practical steps. This error usually appears during Windows installation and is commonly related to disk format, partition style, or BIOS settings. First, confirm that the drive you're installing Windows on is properly detected. Select the partition showing the error and click Delete, repeating this for all partitions on drive 0 until the space shows as unallocated. This removes old system conflicts, so make sure important data is already backed up. Next, select the unallocated space and click New, then Apply, allowing Windows to create the required partitions automatically. If the error still appears, the issue is likely a mismatch between BIOS mode and disk type. Restart your computer and enter BIOS or UEFI settings. Look for boot mode and check whether it's set to UEFI or legacy. If your drive uses GPT, set boot mode to UEFI. If it uses MBR, switch to legacy or CSM mode. Save changes and restart the installation. If you're unsure about the disk type, press Shift plus F10 on the Windows setup screen to open Command Prompt. Type disk part, press Enter, then list disk. If you see an asterisk under GPT, the drive is GPT formatted. You can also convert the drive if needed by selecting Disk 0, typing Clean, then Convert GPT or Convert MBR, but remember, this erases all data. Close Command Prompt and refresh the installer. Another thing to check is the drive controller mode. In BIOS, set Storage or SATA mode to AHCI instead of RAID or IDE for better compatibility. Also, unplug any extra hard drives or USB storage to avoid conflicts. Finally, ensure you're installing the correct Windows version for your system architecture. After these adjustments, select the primary partition and click Next. Windows should now install without errors, allowing you to continue setup smoothly and complete installation successfully without further interruptions. Subscribe the channel for more videos.